Direction prepositions with go.
Go into.
She decided to go into the room to find her lost book. Go out of. They quickly went out of the building when the fire alarm sounded. Go across. He went across the busy street. Go up. We need to go up the stairs to access the roof. Go down. Be careful as you go down the stairs. Go along. Let's go along the road and see where it leads us. Go past. Be careful when you go past the construction site. Go through. We need to go through the gate to reach the other side. Go over. We need to go over the bridge to reach the park on the other side. Go under. The tunnel will allow us to go under the mountain. Go towards. We should go towards the city center to find a restaurant.